Hey everyone, Tim Mooney with the Nature Conservancy. It is full-on vernal pool season. I'm at the Carter Preserve. I don't have a net, I have a bucket, and nevertheless, it'll probably do the trick. Let's go see what we can find out here in the pond. And right off the bat, I found one of the things I was looking for. It is the tadpole form of a marbled salamander. They like big pools that have a very mossy substrate, not so much sandy or muddy. And let's take a look at it. So you can see it has gills, if you look closely, coming out the side of its head. That's how it breathes in this form. It's an aquatic animal. Right behind it, you can see some very delicate front legs that have started to form. That's cool. And maybe at the back, just the nub of their rear legs. And so, and if you compare this to the wood frog tadpole, you can see that it's much farther along in its development. Why is that? It's because the marbled salamander's parents laid and fertilized eggs back in the fall. And so this marbled salamander hatched out months ago and just started to develop under the ice. And so now that it's springtime, it's had a big head start, and it looks much farther along toward being an adult version of itself.